Hey guys, Dark Armed Dragoon here, and today we're going to be opening up 3 brand new sealed packs of Secrets of Eternity. Okay guys, let's see what we get. Guys, here they are. 3 sealed packs. So let's dive right into them right here. I've yet to pull a secret from this series. Only had an opportunity to open up a couple of these packs so far. Hopefully, we can get some of the Pakimaru monsters. I believe there's some in here. Okay, one of the new Infernoid cars. Setsemis. Explosum. Wall of Disruption. Yugioh. UA Turnover Tactics. Oh yeah! Infernoid Harmadic. Wow. Look at him. Must be special summoned from the hand by banishing one Infernoid monster from your hand or graveyard. While the total levels and ranks of all effect monsters you control are 8 or lower, and cannot be special summoned by other ways. Once per turn, you can target one monster on the field, destroy it. This card cannot attack the turn you activate this effect. Once per turn, during your opponent's turn, you contribute one monster, then target one card in your opponent's graveyard, banish it. Wow, so this guy's a staple. Cool. Yugioh Magat. Perform Pal Partanaga. Dragoonity Divine Lance. I believe that this was actually heavily talked about on Yugioh for quite a while. But people ended up deciding that it wasn't, extremely competitive. You guys can read it for yourself right there. Cool. Okay. Now, for the second pack. Hopefully we can keep this momentum going and get another holo. Dodo Swordsman. Perform Pal Friend Donkey. The one that's your friend. Unizombie. Unizombie, I believe that's Plague Spreader on the picture. You can target one face-up monster on the field, discard one card, and if you do, increase the target's level by 1. You can target one face-up monster on the field. Monsters you control cannot attack for the rest of this turn except zombie-type monsters. Also send one zombie-type monster from your deck to the graveyard, and if you do, increase the target's level by 1. You can only use the effect of each Unizombie once per turn. I would actually say that this card is actually really good. Well, I have to do some deep thinking in this one. Wow. I'll put him right here. Perform Pal Stamp Turtle, because things need to be stamped. Got him Second Call. Really? That's really cool. Sweet. What the hell? Oh yeah! Double pull! Wow. Look at that. Have you ever seen that done on YouTube? Even if you scaled packs, that could not be done. Yeah! Wow. Guys, you have just witnessed something epic. Wow. 2 Infernoid Harmadics. Friggin' right there next to each other. That is insane. That has never happened to me before. Wow. Epic. Okay, last minute cancel. Illusion Balloons. Desktop Bot 003. Wow. Okay, guys, let's keep going. Come on. There we go. Can we get a third Infernoid? Let's see. Gem Knight Lapis. Dodo Swordsman. Perform Pal Friend Donkey. your friend once again. Go Talisman, Donkey Diver, Mischief of the Gnomes. This is a cool looking card. Wow. I cannot believe it, you guys. 2 Infernoid Harmodix, which is a really good card. And then Unizombie, because he's pretty cool. You can pull out Plague Spreader with this guy. Sweet. Let me know what you guys thought of my poll, man, in the comment section below. Make sure to share this video and tell your friends about this channel. And see you guys next time.